The navigation system in your Mercedes-Benz lets you access maps, gives directions, search for destinations, and more. There are a few ways to get the most out of your navigation system: using the center controller, touchpad, touch control buttons, or voice commands. You can search for destinations, save them as favorites, and even add a waypoint to an existing route. Your vehicle also provides live traffic maps and an expansive database of points of interest. In the full screen map, press the center controller and you'll see a map menu, which allows you to customize the map. For example, you can change the map orientation to always having north facing up or with the map heading up. Turning the center controller in full screen map zooms in and out. If you don't want to use the navigation voice guidance, you can mute it in the main menu. To reactivate it or repeat the last voice output, press the same button again.
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
To save frequently used addresses or destinations as favorites, go to Previous Destinations and select the Options menu to the left. You can also save as Home or Work and access them via voice commands. Now that you know a little about the system, let's start navigating. One way to get started is to enter your destination manually and begin an address or point of interest search. This smart search feature will auto-complete your entry and will then give you a list of destinations to choose from. To keep your search easy, you can simply enter the first few letters of the address and then select the correct destination from the list. Remember, there's a state listed in the top left next to the search bar to indicate which state you're searching in. You can also begin navigation by searching for points of interest, addresses, even contacts in your address book with simple voice commands. To engage voice control, press and release the voice control button on your steering wheel, wait for the tone, and say your command. Navigate to airport. You'll see options on the screen to choose from.
The line number, please.
1.
Number 1. Do you want to start route guidance?
Yes.
Starting route guidance.
Since you've saved your address as home, you can use voice commands to start navigation as well. Home.
Home. Do you want to start route guidance?
If you're on a road trip and decide to take a detour, you can set an additional destination on your way. Set waypoint.
The line number or the category, please.
Gas station.
Gas station accepted. The line number, please.
4.
Number 4. Intermediate destination 1 has been set.
You can even search for the nearest restaurants, parking spots, or rest areas. Nearest parking.
The line number, please.
1.
Number 1. Do you want to start route guidance for the new destination?
Yes.
Starting route guidance.
If you don't know the exact address, you can also search for partial addresses or intersections. Enter intersection.
The first street, please.
North Avenue.
The intersecting street, please.
Jackson Street.
North Avenue, Jackson Street accepted.
And if you entered the wrong address, you can always go back by saying, correction.
Please say your destination again.
Voice navigation works best when you're sitting centered in the driver's seat. There's nothing obstructing the microphone, and you're speaking articulately. You can also reference the on-screen list of available commands for assistance. Mercedes-Benz voice navigation helps you get where you're going, safe and sound.